Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Xiaomi Wi-Fi extender. First, choose an optimal spot for your extender. Place it roughly halfway between your existing Wi-Fi router and the area where you need a stronger signal. A good location ensures the extender receives a strong initial signal to then rebroadcast effectively. Make sure it is at least 3 feet away from any large metal appliances or thick walls, which can easily block the signal. Setting up your Xiaomi Wi-Fi extender is straightforward. The simplest way is using the My Home app on your smartphone, which guides you through a few simple steps. If your router has a WPS button, you can also press it on both devices for an automatic connection. After setting up, wait for the extender's indicator light to turn a solid blue, which confirms it is successfully connected and ready to broadcast. To get the best performance, consider a few factors. Position your extender higher up, like on a shelf rather than on the floor, to minimize interference from furniture. If your model has external antennas, experiment with angling them in different directions to find the best spread for your space. Additionally, periodically check the My Home app for new firmware updates, as these often improve stability and signal strength. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, there are simple solutions. A quick restart of both your main Wi-Fi router and the Xiaomi extender often resolves most connection problems. Ensure the extender is still positioned optimally, receiving a strong signal from your router. If problems persist, a factory reset of the extender, typically done by pressing a small button for about 5 seconds, allows you to reconfigure it anew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.